feel me? But Access Studio, shouts out to my niggas out Philly, shouts out to my niggas wearing suits.
Doing around here, man?
Nah, that's good money shit. And me and Ryder shooting a video in the suits, you feel me? That shit gonna be crazy. Shouts to Mickey Mouse. Holla. Shouts to everything, you know? Fresh home, chilling like a motherfucking villain, trying to get back on this.
Yeah. LOL. Pancakes. Ain't nothing funny though. Nope. Yeah. Stop playing. What you saying? I'm hydroplaning 1738 champagne and chaser. My man lost his life, so I ain't trying to go Jamaica. But y'all can't blue boys. My bad bitch, she from Kingston. Just looking at the realest niggas doing this for real. Back in gotta get at $1. Stack 100,000 just to cop a squad. Yeah, niggas like the money, we don't care about stunting. That's just a bag of onions. They locked up crack, what they find in the spot.
Taking over the streets.
Due to some violent content, parental discretion is advised.
Chase that money, like to know the day. Then party hard, like to know the mall. Catch me at the bar, posted where the bar. You see them cameras, make yourself a star. Titties out, mama pull them titties out. 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 Honey pose for the cameras, let's make a movie. She pop a Percocet, Austin Powers, she feeling groovy. Press some 20 shots and my keys, I think I lost them. Said fucking hit.
I ain't coming in the game on no soft shit, you feel me? Niggas know about that, like, we on our straight street shit when we come out, you feel me?
Right.
We just gonna fuck with it, but we out here. We ain't coming in the game on no fake shit. But still got the bitches, all real shit. Real shit.